If dinner regularly means juggling several pots and appliances, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is designed to consolidate much of that work into one countertop cooker. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. It combines 9 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, rice, yogurt, sous vide, warming, and sterilizing, with 15 one-touch programs for common recipes. The display shows cooking time, temperature, and pressure status in real time. A dedicated easy release switch also keeps steam release more deliberate than reaching directly toward the valve. The 6-quart stainless steel inner pot is sized for up to 6 servings and uses an anti-spin, tri-ply bottom, which is useful when sautéing before pressure cooking. For cleanup, both the lid and inner pot are listed as dishwasher-safe. The package also includes a steam rack and 2 additional sealing rings for different cooking routines. The trade-off is complexity and counter space. New pressure cooker users still need to learn liquid requirements, sealing, and release methods, and 9 functions only help when you actually use them. Overall, the Duo Plus is a strong fit for families, meal preppers, and cooks who want pressure cooking plus flexible everyday functions in one appliance. Simpler cooks may prefer a more focused machine.